Hello friends, today we're going to unlock a router from Zambia. It's a Zamtel B315s-607 Huawei router. As you can see on the screen, it's showing a network lock and is asking for an unlock code. Today we'll unlock it using software and permanently remove that lock. Now we'll apply the unlock software update that we've prepared. We'll select our file and start the updating process, and the router will begin flashing. Friends, this video is being shown as proof of our online service. If anyone in Zambia wants to unlock their router or Wi-Fi device, we offer many unlocking services. As you can see on the screen, whatever model you have, you can get it unlocked remotely from the comfort of your home using AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer. Right now, we're remotely connected via AnyDesk and unlocking this router. So friends, our router has been successfully unlocked. And now you can see that it works with other network SIM cards as well. You can use any SIM card in it. This video is also an advertisement. We provide online services at reasonable charges. I hope you enjoyed the video. For unlocking internet devices and Wi-Fi routers, you can subscribe to our channel and stay updated with the wireless world. Now, please allow us to say goodbye and keep us in your prayers. Goodbye.